Hello everyone, welcome to another video about Upwork. Now today I will show you how to use Upwork time tracker. So basically what you will need to do is, as you can see right here, there's no time tracker. When you land on your Upwork profile, you used to have a time tracker right here on the right side, but right now you actually cannot you cannot actually go here and track time. So what you will need to do is you will need to download the Upwork desktop application. Now, as you can see, this is how the desktop application will work like or look like, right? So once you download it, you will have this window. You will need to log in. This is basically how it will look like. If I go here, if I open my app, you can see that this is pretty much the app that it's going to look like, right? You need to just log in here, and then you will have the interface like this, and then you can switch off or on to track time or to not track time, right? Now, as you can see, you have payment protection also as well, which is awesome. And yeah, you can track your time, right? As you can see, images of the freelancer screen taken randomly 6 times an hour, number of keystrokes, mouse clicks, and scroll actions. So basically, as you can see, the app does not track what you click, what you type, applications you use, or webcam footage, just so you can stay secure. So it's available for macOS, Windows, and all the other apps as well. So that's pretty much how you can track your time and use Upwork time tracker. If you have any questions or maybe comments, you can always comment down below, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you guys for watching.